Welcome. My name is John Boccuzzi, and I'm a partner at ISG Research, one of the largest advisory and research firms globally. We have over 900 clients in North America, Europe, and APAC. And today I'm broadcasting from Dallas, Texas, with three very special guests: Dimitris Karabinis from DXC, Levi Oyster from Dell, and joining us remotely from Austin, Texas, Kiran Koratala from Red Hat. Welcome. Dimitri, let's get started and let's kick things off with a quick background on DXC and how you became such a large service provider.
Absolutely. Well, DXC is the result of a merger between HPE Services and CSC back in 2016. That created one of the largest global systems integrators in the world with over 130,000 employees. It really created a company that can support our clients across the full spectrum of IT services, from your data center hosting, your cloud hosting and management, all the way through workplace management into application development, enterprise application support, analytics, and then we wrap and thread security through all of that. So we really can do it all because of that broad scope and size that we've created.
Dimitri, yeah, that's a great background. And what's interesting is actually ISG just ranked DXC as in our Big 15, we call it, in Q2 of 2023. So it's all the biggest 15 firms globally that have done over 10 billion in total transactions. So congratulations. Obviously the size is out in the marketplace. You're making a big impact in the market, correct? Levi, tell me a little bit about the relationship with Red Hat, how long that's been going on, and why that's such an important relationship.
Yeah, so we are coming up on our 24th year anniversary with Red Hat.
Wow.
And we brought them out into our Apex multi-cloud deployment so that we could leverage new technology such as the leading Kubernetes distribution. And that way we are able to bring new technology faster and more reliable and securely to each enterprise.
Wow. And Kiran, any thoughts on that with regards to kind of the relationship? 24 years is a long time.
Yep, it's been a long time here. We started with the building engineered solutions around RHEL, and we have now progressed, and now we'll talk more about it later, but we'll talk about the OpenShift integration that we're doing with Dell. So it's been a long road with both at the engineering level, and then additionally Dell is also a reseller of Red Hat solutions as well.
Wow. All right. Awesome. And when I think about the relationship with Dell and DXC, you have over 2,000 clients that are mutual. So the relationship is already pretty strong. Tell us a little bit about how that could be leveraged here when you think about this relationship.
DXC bringing best-in-breed services, Red Hat bringing best-in-breed Kubernetes, and Dell bringing best-in-breed infrastructure and platform with scalability that really allows customers to bring their products and business to market faster, securely, and just really allow the business to be more agile.
Yeah, so when we think about it, what's exciting here is when you think about 90% of the Fortune 500 for Red Hat, over 2,000 clients that you mutually share between DXC and Dell, there's got to be hundreds of clients that are utilizing all three of you, and that could probably leverage this relationship, this tighter relationship. Dimitri, when we think about the size of the market, ISG actually just reported Q2 2023 that managed services ACV surpassed 10 billion for the first time. So it's a huge market, still growing, about 4% it grew year over year. How does DXC, Dell, and Red Hat support that market demand when you think about managed services?
So the thing about managed services is it's different than it was 5 or 10 years ago. It's not your mess for less, it's not walk-in takeover. What our clients need now is they need transformative managed services. They need solutions that enable a private cloud that behaves more like a public cloud, advanced container capabilities, security, storage, backup, vault services. And this partnership collectively with the three of us have really created compelling offerings that let us create multi-tenant solutions, scalable private clouds, container-based workloads, fully automated solutions that clients can consume in a way that they want to, that provides that hybrid cloud capability that everybody's looking for. Everything isn't fit for the public cloud. That's our cloud-right approach. So by having these technologies at our disposal, co-creating the solutions and going to market with them collectively, we can create that true cloud-right approach so the workloads that need to stay in the data center in a co-location can and be run in a way that really benefits the business.
Yeah, Dimitri, I love that you talked about the cloud, multi-cloud, the on-prem. When I think about some of the service providers and integrators out there, they talk about we were born in the cloud. And it always gets me nervous personally, because if you were born in the cloud, how are you going to handle all of this amazing work? People call it legacy, but I call it real infrastructure with regards to what's been happening successfully for 30 plus 40 years. Why is DXC positioned so well to help clients with regards to getting to the right cloud, as you talked about?
I mean, it's the breadth of capabilities that we have and the size and scale. So we're one of the largest mainframe management providers in the world. We have very large network capabilities, data center, WAN, edge networking capabilities. So when you work with DXC, you're not just working with one solution. It's not just cloud or just software. It's the full breadth of capabilities that let us modernize and improve the entire aspect of your IT estate so the business can benefit in every single way. Nothing is left behind.
I love that. And Levi, we were talking before the show, and you mentioned you were a customer prior. Yeah. So, if we've got some CFOs or non-technical people, listening today, tell us a little bit about this container, why that's so critically important. Is it a security opportunity? Is it the flexibility? Is it storage? Is it savings? What's important about this?
Sure, I think having something like Red Hat that's highly opinionated and being able to deliver a full platform versus having to build everything yourself and drive team and all the costs that are associated with that. The struggle with us is when we did build all that, it became cumbersome because only 2 or 3 people in the organization could support it. Where like DXC and Red Hat have this great relationship to deliver that for an end enterprise where they're able to deliver that so the business can focus on being agile to their end customers and not necessarily worry about building new technology or innovating something from scratch.
Yeah, and Karen, what are your thoughts on that with regards to, this advantage with regards to Red Hat and that flexibility? I mean, how does that work? What type of solutions are you working with specifically to kind of help with that?
Yeah, so, the Dell Apex Cloud Platform, which was announced at Dell Technology World, that's one where we're innovating with Dell. We brought together the leading provider of infrastructure with the leading open source container management solution, and we created a purpose-built fully integrated platform.
So Dimitri, when you think about OpenShift and Apex, how are you going to support that with clients? I mean, give me some practical uses of this.
Absolutely. So the benefit we have with the Apex Cloud solution and with OpenShift being able to support containers on bare metal, be able to support VMs, it allows us to deploy the platform quickly. So we can do quick proof of value for clients that need to modernize their data center. You can deploy scalable solutions out on the edge, retail locations, manufacturing sites, remote offices. So you can provide that modern platform to deploy applications to and support the business anywhere and everywhere at any scale you need. The real value I think that we're going to see is because the platform gets deployed so quickly and is so scalable, we can focus our efforts on helping the client modernize those applications, consume the platform, make their applications more cloud native, more client centric, help the business really drive value out of the applications, and the platform is ready to go operational and can be turned on quickly.
So listen, in summary, this is what I heard, and tell me if I got it right. Look, at the collaboration between DXC, Dell and Red Hat offers a powerful combination of expertise and technology that enables you to do things at scale, allows you to optimize systems, secure them, right? So they're safe from a container workload perspective, while accelerating potential revenue, which I think is super exciting, on a reliable platform. So did I get all that? I mean, is that really kind of a big summary of the benefit here?
No, spot on.
That's great. Well, look, thank you so much, Dimitri, Levi, and Karen, for your time today. Again, I'm John Boccuzzi Jr. with ISG. We want to thank you for your time today. If you're interested in learning more about DXC, Dell, or Red Hat, this is the incredible relationship, frankly, between the three. We've provided some contact information on the screen, and you can utilize those QR codes to reach out directly to any of the three. Thank you so much again for your time. Appreciate it. Karen, thanks so much. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.